Welcome to my studio. My name is Ray, and every week here on YouTube I bring you a brand new video so that you can paint along with me. Now this week I'm going to do something a little bit different. I don't normally do kind of urban sketching or that kind of thing, but occasionally, like from time to time, I like to do something a little bit different. So I'm working from a photograph which I will post over on Patreon, and I'll tell you a little bit about that later. It's yours to keep and you can follow along by either printing it out or just having it on your screen. I'm working in my Beetle sketchbook from Deep Light, and I'm using a pen from Tom's Studio. Now the ink that I have inside of this is a waterproof ink, so that when I add my watercolor paint a little bit later on, it's not going to melt that ink. Okay, I want the paint to be staying in the right place. So this time I'm using a waterproof ink. This is a Lumos pen, and it's got interchangeable nibs, and it's absolutely beautiful to draw with, and I thoroughly enjoy using it. All the supplies that I'm using today, by the way, I will put in the description box underneath so that you can go and check them out for yourself, including the sketchbook that I'm working on. So I begin by sketching out a kind of rough idea of where I'm going to draw the lines. The whole purpose of these little tutorials is that they're meant to be enjoyable and stress-free. They don't have to be accurate, they're just about making marks on paper and just really relaxing into the process. So if you'd like to paint along with me, I will give you the reference photo that I'm working from over on our free membership level of Patreon. And of course, if you are a paid member, then you will also have access to that completely free. So you can either trace it down if you want to. If you don't want to sketch it out in the way I am, like I said, it's free, it's yours to keep. My gift to you so that you can join in with me here on YouTube. So as you can see, the pens come with a set of nibs like this. You can choose whichever one you want to, and they're fairly easy to switch out, and you can replace them as you go through. So I'm just adding a little bit more detail, nothing too fancy, and it's worth noting at this point that I'm not working strictly to the photo. I'm not an urban sketcher, I'm just enjoying the process. I am by profession a botanical artist, so this is something that's kind of new to me and perhaps a little bit daunting. So with the drawing finally complete, it's time to add some washes of colour. Today I'm using some watercolours from Tom's Studio, which I absolutely adore. I've had them a little while, and as you can see, they're already really loved. I've been practicing with them. It comes with 6 colours, and you can see that I've got the wrappers down the bottom to identify the colour. Now they are very bold colours, but I've been experimenting mixing these colours into these lovely mixed tones here. So don't be put off by the vibrancy of them if you prefer something a little more subtle, because you can mix these colours into some beautiful shapes. The brush is also from Tom's Studio, and as you can see, you can remove the ferrule there and switch them out. If you need a new tip for it, I believe they sell the tips separately. I don't think they're interchangeable as such, but it does mean you don't have to buy the entire new brush. They are metal as well, which is absolutely lovely. So I'm just mixing up a random base colour here. Like I said, all the materials that I'm using today, I will link in the description box. The pen and the paints and ink and whatever are from Tom's Studio, as well as the brush. And I do have a discount code, Ray Campbell, which you can click on my link below, and that will give you 10% off any purchase over £30. And I also have a discount code for Deep Light as well. That is Deep Ray, and again, you can save yourself a little bit of money if you want to treat yourself to some new materials, but of course it's not compulsory. You can paint along with whatever you have. In fact, I encourage you to do so, but it's worth noting, in case you did want to treat yourself, that I do have that discount code, so do make the most of it if you're in the market for some new supplies. So the paint, as you can see, is very watery, and I'm just adding it to the ceiling here and just mixing up some sort of random colours from the pigments that I have. These are lovely paints, by the way. They are artist quality and just absolutely beautiful to work with. They're quite soft. I know sometimes with watercolor paints they can be quite hard in texture, so you'll need to add a lot of water, but these are the opposite of that. They're very squishy, so you don't need an awful lot of pigment on your brush to get a big watercolor payoff. So if that's something that appeals to you, then do check these out. Adding a little bit of green to the mix here, and a bit of yellow, and a bit of red. So we're going for a kind of browny tone. So we just keep mixing those together until we get the kind of colour that I'm looking for. You can mix some great colours with these. It's a great way to practice your mixing skills as well. So we're just adding this to the floor. I'm not going to talk very much in this one from the rest of this video, so I'm just going to let you watch this in peace. But before I go and listen and let you listen to some music, it might be worth, just in case you are interested in botanical painting, we do have paid Patreon with a few different membership levels that might appeal to you. So I'm just going to pause this video for a minute to play you the video, and then you can come straight back in and watch this. I'm going to sign off and let you watch the rest of this in peace, and I'll see you soon. Earlier I mentioned Patreon, which is where I slow everything down and go deeper into botanical painting. Alongside the free outlines, there are 3 membership levels for anyone who'd like more time, detail and guidance with me right here in the studio. Now, Clematis is the core membership tier. This is where I share longer, more considered botanical art tutorials, materials, outlines, reference photograph, in-depth process, so that you can create art that you are proud of no matter what level that you're at. And for those who'd like more personal support, my Rose tier includes everything from the other 2 membership levels, along with one-to-one time with me via video call, individual critique, and a video response made just for you. Magnolia is my monthly mini tier. Now this includes shorter, more relaxed lessons, things like quick doodles, small studies, podcasts, and informal explorations that fit easily around your everyday life. Remember that if you're a member of the Clematis and Rose tier, you'll also have full access to everything in the Magnolia tier, so nothing is missed. All of the tutorials across Patreon are suitable for all levels. I teach using a learn to paint as you paint approach, so whether you're just starting out or whether you've been painting for years, you can follow along at your own pace. Patreon is also very easy to use now. Everything is kept in one place. You can use the search bar to quickly find the tutorial or topic that you're looking for without having to scroll endlessly. And if you're planning to stay for a while, do take advantage of the annual membership. My Patreon is about making space for depth, learning, and evolving botanical art practice. If that sounds like something you'd enjoy, we'd love to see you there.